Good day, Bohol, and to all the Bolanos all over the world. We are here in the Island City Mall for our free one-on-one Negosyo Mentorship brought to us by Go Negosyo in partnership with the Department of Trade and Industry.
Just to give everyone a background of this program, this is a program of Go Negosyo in partnership with DTI. So we've been running this program since last year, May 2018, and since then we had a total of 31 rollouts. This is our 32nd rollout, and as mentioned by Sir Blair earlier, this is the first for Bohol.
We need mentoring. We need financial assistance. We need market information. But more on the mentoring side. Unsaon nila pag-learn from the experienced mentors. With a strategic partnership of the Department of Trade and Industry with Go Negosyo, daghan na kaayo migmatabangan.
If we really believe atong angkunon ba na turismo ang ekonomiya na nato sa Bohol, we have to treat it very seriously. We have to show our visitors that we have the ability to clean up our economy. And that is why I welcome Go Negosyo here today. I would like you all to get to know your mentors. These are people who are not teachers. These are practitioner advocates. These are modern-day heroes who are passing the technology to you. And I would like to ask you to be serious. To be serious in what you're trying to do. It has an impact not only for you. Why are you rushing out of Bohol to work for someone else when you can stay and build your own business and give jobs to others and give jobs to your community? Work for yourselves. Work for your province. Work for your communities. Give others a job. Stay with entrepreneurship. You today have given me that spark to continue my work on entrepreneurship and freeing you up and building us that local industry for our handicrafts, our food, our agritourism, for strengthening our tourism economy.
Ang intention ng buong programa is aron makashare ta sa unsay mga naagian sa mga existing nga mga negosyante aron kung asa pay mga kalisdanan malikayan sa atong mga gagmay nga mga negosyante nga ilang mga success factors maka-learn po ng atong mga negosyante. This is part of the Department of Trade and Industry's effort to spread the culture of entrepreneurship, because we all know that in the country 98% ang atong micro, small, and medium enterprises. Pasalamat po ko ni Governor Archap o ni City Mayor Babayap nga mihatag sa ilang full support ning maong event nato karong buntaga. Si Governor Archap has always been an avid supporter to our programs and projects in the province, and we will be forever thankful and forever engaged to the leadership of Governor Archap because of his unending support to the endeavors of the Department of Trade and Industry. To our micro-entrepreneurs, you are the backbone of the economy of this country. We need you. We need to multiply you. We are not born, you are not born to be entrepreneurs, although some are born to be entrepreneurs. But we need this mentoring and mindsetting arong ma-master yun ninyo ang inyong negosyo. We hope that you will always support the initiatives of the Department of Trade and Industry.